Hi, I'm Pietro Pera of IPS, the development agency of the province of Savona, and near me there is Mr. Rossi, Ennio Rossi, that is of the municipality of the Savona. Savona is a city in the center of Liguria, region Liguria, in front of the sea. There is a big harbour and there's about 63,000 of inhabitants. In our project, our pilot study is constituted by a school that is in the center of the city, School Colombo Pertini, and we have 4 actions for the school in order to increase our energy efficiency. First of all, the parcellization of the space heating of the heat distribution lines. In the second one, we have considering to use a gas boiler to heat DHU for the kitchen instead of the electrical boiler, and other action on the electrical side. And on the other side, we have action for the photovoltaic system in order to improve the diagnostic of the photovoltaic system, and at least we have the idea to improve the efficient lighting through the use of LEDs and other kind of timer sensor in the school.